This year, I feel like has just flown by and I am not prepared, okay? I'm not prepared, but we're gonna get prepared. So my inspiration for this look was Scorpio Untamed. This is a Scorpio who has not come into themselves yet. This is a Scorpio who is scorned. This is a Scorpio who is seeking revenge. They're seeking revenge because they're hurt. Scorpios get a bad rep for doing bad things to others, but that is really not the case. What did you do to that Scorpio first? That's what people don't like to talk about, because us Scorpios only retaliate when we have been hurt, and I mean hurt. So a Scorpio Untamed has been hurt. They can't let go, and they are seeking revenge. This look is edgy. This look is hot, fiery. Everything that a Scorpio Untamed is, they are going to be hot, okay? So if you would like to see this look right here, as well as this bomb hair, because this hair is going straight up with this look, you know what to do, boo. Definitely stay tuned. So I wanted to do something a little bit different with this tutorial. I wanted to create a whole vibe. This wig was the center of the creativity for this makeup look that I chose to do for my first birthday makeup tutorial for 2022. And this wig is giving me such a vibe, y'all. This is the Nadula Spicy Red Wine Highlight Loose Wave Lace Front Wig in 26 inches. It is 150% density. I want to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and just giving me this creativity to come up with a different type of look. And I think that y'all will enjoy this wig. I know a lot of you were commenting on my Instagram about the hair. If you're interested, all the information on this wig and any products that I use will be listed and linked in the description box down below. I do not want to talk in this video. I want it to be a whole vibe. I want it to be super calming. And so I'm going to be playing music in this video. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I would love y'all's feedback. And I'm going to stop talking now because I love to ramble. But let's get into this hair install.
Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming.